Maggie with Lexus of Pembroke Pines, and in this video I'm going to go over how to preset your radio stations. First, make sure that the vehicle power is on. Press the menu button and using the display controller, scroll around left or right to find the radio menu. To enter, just press the controller down. Once you have the radio menu open, using the tune scroll, just scroll around until you find the station that you want to save. You're going to see the numbers change on the top right-hand corner of the display. Once you get to your desired station, highlight where you want to save it and press the display controller down and hold until the station appears saved on number 1. I'm going to do it one more time. Get to the station I want to save, then highlight, in this case number 2, press and hold down the display controller until the number appears as number 2, and one last time, do it again, get to the station, highlight, press and hold down. You will also hear a beep as the stations are getting saved. The vehicle allows you to save up to 36 different presets, and you can also mix them up and have FM, AM, and Sirius stations. Thank you for watching. If you still have more questions or if you'd like to know more about the features, please come visit us or give us a call at 954-443-2020 or just visit our website at www.lexusofpembrokepines.com.